Transform your physical masterpieces into a digital powerhouse with this quick guide on creating a professional art PDF. First, let's capture your artwork. You have two excellent options, scanning or photographing. If your artwork is relatively flat, like a drawing or print, a scanner is your best friend. Open your scanner's software, place your art face down on the glass. Ensuring it's centered and straight, adjust the scan settings to match your artwork's orientation. Usually landscape or portrait, set your resolution to at least 300 dpi for crisp, high-quality images then. Simply click Scan and save the image as a JPEG or PNG. For larger pieces, textured art, or sculptures, photography is the way to go. Find a well-lit, neutral background, a circumflex euros. White or light gray works wonders. Position your artwork so it's as flat and straight as possible. Use your smartphone camera or a digital camera. Avoid direct sunlight, which can cause glare. Try to shoot from directly above, parallel to the artwork. To prevent distortion, take several shots from slightly different angles to ensure you have the best one. Your goal is a clear, evenly lit image. Once you have your high-quality image files, it's time to convert them into a PDF. You can do this easily using built-in tools on your computer or free online converters. Many free websites allow you to upload your images and create a PDF instantly. Simply search for JPEG to PDF converter or image to PDF converter. In your web browser, once you find a site you trust, drag and drop all your artwork image files into the upload area. Make sure the files are in the order you want them to appear in your PDF. Look for an option to combine all your uploaded images into a single PDF. Some converters allow you to choose the page order once they're all uploaded and arranged. Hit the Create PDF or Convert button. Your browser will then prompt you to download the combined PDF file. And there you have it, a professional, portable PDF of your art, perfect for showcasing your portfolio to galleries, sharing with potential clients, or even preparing for print orders. Keep your art accessible and shareable anytime, anywhere.